How to fix touchpad on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If your touchpad is not working, here is a quick fix for you. So you just need to right click in the start icon and then go to device manager. Once the device manager is open, here we need to look for two things. I'll just maximize it. The first one is mice and other pointing devices. And from here you will see, just do a right click one by one, and I click on update driver and click on a search automatically for drivers. Do the same things for the second as well. Search for automatically drivers, and if it says the best driver is already installed, here we have these human interface devices. For if I expand it, I'll find the touchpad right here. So I see the HID complaint touchpad. So after doing this, you also need to select you also need to select HID complaint touchpad. Do a right click, go to update driver, search automatically for drivers. If that works well and good, if it doesn't work, right click again, go to update drivers and click on browse my computer, and then select let me pick from a list available, and here select one by one. I can see the driver HID complaint touchpad. Select that and click on next and see if that work for you. If you still you have issues, there is one more thing for you. Can do right click and click on uninstall devices, and just uninstall it, and then go to action and select scan for hardware changes. In this manner, the driver will be installed again. So I have just uninstalled it. Under human interface devices, I do not see the touchpad here, and I'll go to action and I'll click on scan for hardware, and very soon I'll have a touchpad right here. So see if that works for you. Restart the computer. It's very important to restart your computer. See if that works for you, and if works, please hit the like buttons and subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial, and also leave the comment. Have a wonderful day. Bye.